And this is Severe Weather Awareness Week. This is day 3. Today, obviously, we're talking about tornadoes. And you just saw how schools prepare for severe weather events. But meteorologist Mark Stitz joins us now how to go over what you should do when you're at home when a tornado warning is issued. Mark?
Yeah, obviously when a tornado warning is issued, it's time to take shelter immediately for your area. And I'm holding a couple of things that are perfect to take with you as you head to that safe place in your home. A blanket. Cover yourselves, your kids up with something like a blanket or a mattress, anything to kind of help keep that debris or possible debris off of you and your family. Also a helmet. Not only is it going to help protect your head, but also make your kids feel a little bit more safe as well. Now, not everyone has a basement. That's where we are right now, is in an Omaha basement. But if you don't have one, we have a nice little graphic built that's going to show you exactly how to find the safe place in your home. Step number 1, of course, is to go to the lowest level of your home. In case you don't have a basement, that would be the first level of your home. Now, once you get there, then move to the center part of that home. You're trying to put as many walls between you and that storm as possible to help slow down any of that debris and help protect you from anything that is outside with these storms or possible tornado. Next thing, of course, when you find that safe room, avoid things like windows and glass. That's why we typically say closets and bathrooms are good places to go because they're typically towards the center of the home and typically don't have as many windows or things like glass. Now, once you're there, again, take those blankets, the pillows, anything with you, or just keep them in that safe room so they're there and ready to go. Now, as far as tornado strength, that's of course going to determine how your house withstands some of these storms. EF0 to EF5 is how those tornadoes are rated. And again, that's based on the damage. Obviously, it's very hard to measure a tornado's strength when it is happening, so we have to go by the damage, and that's where this EF0 to EF5 ranking comes in. If you're wondering exactly where some of our more recent tornadoes fall on that scale, if you remember last June, Bellevue was an EF2 ranking with 135 mile-per-hour winds estimated, and Offutt, the one that hit the Air Force Base there, was an EF1 last year, winds estimated to be 110 miles per hour. Now, coming up at 5, we'll tell you a little bit more about tornado season, when it's most common to see tornadoes here in Nebraska and Iowa. Jen will have that coming up at 5 o'clock.
Thanks, Mark. I mean, all good tips,
Yes.
good reminders about what to do when you're at school or even at home.
And great to talk about it now because as we're preparing before it hits, you can talk to your kids, make sure you have a plan in place.
And that's the key thing that I always tell people when I go on school visits is that have your plan and execute it. So don't wait until a warning is issued. Go ahead and do like a run-through drill so that the kids know what to do and you know what to do, and everybody feels a lot safer when that happens.
Smart advice. Thanks, Jen.